Good day, guys. Good day, guys. This is Mr. Shah. I'm back again. It's all about artificial intelligence. It's all about cryptocurrency. It's all about crypto information or crypto education as well. Before we get into today's video, I want you guys to make sure that you subscribe to this channel. You also hit that notification button as well, and you leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think, because your feedback matters the most. Or if there's any area that you want me to cover, make sure that, guys, you also hit me up also on the comment section. Then I'll check your comments and I'll reply to your comments, and then I'll also be able to go through or check whatever that you want me to check about. Now, guys, before any waste of time, guys, let's talk about this amazing project. It's another project, guys. We can't talk about Singularity Net and we don't talk about Singularity DAO. Now, for you to be able to have a better understanding of this project, or to see the need of you being involved in this particular project, now you need to first understand what is DAO. Right? Many people at this point in time, they still don't have any clue what is DAO. Now, DAO, when you talk about DAO, it's more like when you talk about cryptocurrency, we talk about artificial intelligence, and everyone says the future is the future is the future. Now, also when you talk about DAO, someone can say is the future, but this is actually something that is already here, something that is already in existence. You understand? Now, when you talk about DAO, now says artificial intelligence would eliminate human error from current DAO models, right? So this is just a headline of this article. Now I want us to go through this article so you can actually first have an understanding of what is it that we're going to be talking about, or why I think you should actually participate in this project as early as now. Now, when you talk about DAO, DAO is a decentralized autonomous organization, right? Now this article says decentralized autonomous organizations are already changing the world by allowing large groups of people to make decisions autonomously, right? Enabled by the blockchain technology. So this is something else again, just like artificial intelligence, like I was saying on the previous video. Now, if you look at this one also, it's a decentralized autonomous organization. It's an organization that is actually built up on the blockchain. Now, if for you to understand the importance of having something in the blockchain, you need to go back and research about the advantages of the blockchain. Now, the other advantage of the blockchain is the fact that it is not controlled by anyone. And the other advantage of the blockchain is that whatever that is on the blockchain can never be deleted. So that is actually another advantage that you need to look at. Now, you have DAO also built up also on the blockchain technology as well, right? Which is itself life-changing. Right? These groups are eliminating the need for centralized management teams that have traditionally set strategy and overseen all areas of the public and private sector organization. So this is something that is going to the private and to the public. Talking about companies here being decentralized, so it's just going to be an interesting time. Just going to be an amazing stuff. And on the now talk about a person called Marcelo Mari is the CEO of SingularityDao, an independent project incubated by SingularityNet. So that why it's important for me to talk about this project now, because my previous video was about SingularityNet. Now we need to talk about this one as well, because this project, which is SingularityDao, is actually incubated by SingularityNet, right? That combines decentralized finance and artificial intelligence. So you see how amazing this technology is now. We're taking the decentralized finance. The decentralized finance is actually the DeFi and the artificial intelligence, and provides AI-powered portfolio management for the crypto space. Wow, what an amazing stuff! What an amazing stuff! So I'm not going to be talking about the decentralized finance and everything, all that, but we're going to be continue to talk about DAO. It says, but DAO may themselves be in for a change that could fix perhaps their most significant vulnerability. The current DAO model is human run, right? And as a result, DAO decisions are prone to errors in judgments. Right now, we have companies that are run by humans, by people that you know, the CEO, the COO, the managers, and all the supervisors, and all that. Now, where there is humans, there's always a room of error. Now, when you have now the organization being decentralized or being taken to the to the blockchain technology, is because now we're trying to do away with the DAO model that is run by human. Now you have a DAO model that is run by technology, right? So that means that this simply means that this model is simply going to change, or it's going to eliminate some of the human errors that we have had on the DAO model that was actually run by human. Now, says the use of artificial intelligence, another transformative technology, would eliminate would eliminate those mistakes and make DAOs even more effective. So we are actually in that beginning space. We're actually in the beginning time of DAO. So you don't want to miss out on this. Many companies will in time be actually getting into this, because this is just an answer to a lot of company owners, founders, and CEOs, and all the problems that they've been having. So they have something that can actually fix it. A DAO is an organization guided by rules encoded as a transparent computer program. DAO are controlled by their organization members and are decentralized, well, semi-decentralized in their current form, as the rules of the organization are embedded into the code. No managers are required. DAOs eliminate the bureaucracy for hierarchy handles present in the traditional organization. The rise of DAO can be attributed to one question that internet users have been asking for years: how can we exchange values in the trusted environment? The emergence of the blockchain technology enables automated trusted transactions and value exchanges, allowing internet users globally to organize themselves in a safe, effective way to achieve common goals. The financial transaction and rules of DAO are recorded on the blockchain, eliminating the need for the involvement of third-party entities and simplifying the transaction via smart contracts. So that means when you talk about the transaction that happens in the blockchain, we're talking about eliminating the third party, which are the banks, government, all that. Now, DAO employs governance tokens, right, which tend to be used to provide holders with voting rights. In most cases, these tokens give holders the ability to participate in the decentralized governance of protocols, or even the governance of the tokens themselves. Now, when you look at the rise, we look at the rise of DAO. We can describe 2021 as the year that DAO reached wide-scale public awareness. In 2021, this is last year. In previous years, DAO had served several purposes, including investments, charity, and fundraising, but all on a smaller scale. With last year massive growth, DAO now collectively have about 1 million members, according to the Consensus say the leading 20 DAO combined hold over 14 billion in digital assets. So this is already big, already huge. And the expansion is not limited to major DeFi players such as Compound and MakerDAO. Smaller DAO have emerged on the rise. One of the most popular DAO last year was Constitution DAO, which raised roughly 47 million in less than a week in a bid to acquire a rare copy of the US Constitution. So you see how actually technology, cryptocurrency, DAO, artificial intelligence, everything now is actually affecting, or is actually having an impact in our day-to-day life. So what I like about the current technology that we have, which is the blockchain, is simply because it gives the voiceless a voice. Those who were regarded as people that can never make any voice or any contribution, right now they can make contribution. That's what blockchain brings to us as humans, or as those people who were regarded as nothing. So this is just an amazing stuff. Now, while the group fell short of that objective, the big splash it made in mainstream media signified that such projects, and even bigger ones, will surface in coming years. Constitution DAO showed that DAOs could transform many different industries. Even if people question whether it was a DAO or temporary fundraising mechanism to acquire the historic document, Constitution DAO had just that single object and hasn't made any decision subsequently, right? DAO are also having an impact on the music industry. Last year, Jenny DAO acquired its NFT, an official song by Steve Aoki, and Thrillau. Jenny DAO is a metaverse group that provides fractional ownership of non-fungible tokens. Unlike the case of Constitution DAO, members decide which NFT to acquire. Smart contracts from the uniquely platform control the vote where the NFTs are being added. So there's just quite a lot of things that you can learn about DAO, guys. I want you guys to go and check it out. Go and read it. You can also read this article, guys. So much information you can be able to understand. The most important thing that you understand, what is DAO. Don't ever forget that, guys. Don't ever forget, because DAO, guys, is actually decentralized autonomous organization. It's actually a model that is actually now being built on the blockchain. The current model that we have is built on, it's actually a model that we have now is run by human, but this one, which is actually decentralized autonomous organization, actually runs on the blockchain, so which actually helps in terms of eliminating most of the mistakes that, or the human mistakes or human errors that we have been facing on the current model that we are using. Now, with that being said, guys, we need to go back and check out this project called SingularityDao. SingularityDao is actually a project you can see there. Also, it's trading at about 72 cent. And also, if you look at it, also it's a project that is built up on the Ethereum network. And also, if you come down here, guys, you can see it's down by 88%. Amazing stuff, guys. The all-time high of this project was back in September 6 September 2021. It's just an amazing project. You don't want to miss out on the upcoming bull run of this project, because I strongly believe that this project can actually do very, very well. So I want you guys to actually check it out as well. But also, if you come here, you can see that this is actually where you can connect your wallet and be able also to, as you can see, they're saying the total value logged there, you can see about $26 million that is actually logged here. But also, if you go down here, you can see they're saying AI powered DeFi Singularity DAO. So it's another part of DeFi, or decentralized finance, powered by the AI, which is the artificial intelligence. Now you can see also they're talking about the dynasets and all that. You can read about that artificial intelligence. You can research more on Launchpad. This is what you can find here: Vault, and then DAO. This DAO consists of governance structure that will offer both voting power and reputation system granted to its participant. So you can actually go and check this one out, guys. I think this project is gonna do well also in the bull run, so you have to check it out as well. And then also, if you check out also the chart, guys, you can be able also to see the chart there. You can see like all these projects, guys, all these projects. Right now we are in the bear market, but there's always green candles that you come across on this project. All AI projects, they're just doing well, guys. Now also, if you come down here and also you see now the other project, the other reason why I want you guys to look at this project as well, guys, is the fact that if you look at the market cap is only 53 million. Imagine if this market cap can go to maybe, for example, 1 billion. How many X are you going to be able to make out of that? You're going to make quite good money from that, right? So you can actually make quite a lot of money from that. So now, if you look at also, for example, let's try to check as well also if we can have Twitter and look at actually the community behind this. Remember, Singularity DAO is a project that is incubated by Singularity Net, right? Now, if you look at also, you can see they have about 69,000 of followers. So it's an amazing project, guys. Make sure that you check it out, guys. Also, you can also remember, if you want to buy this project, guys, you can also buy it also from, you can see it's there on Gate.io, KuCoin. You can also buy it on Uniswap, guys, or Decentralized exchange. You can check any exchange that you can actually use from all these exchanges and buy this amazing project, guys. It's a wonderful project. Beautiful use cases behind, like you see people that are actually buying to hold. People are buying this project to hold. As you can see, that funds are been held here. This is the 14th of February 2023. We have about $26 million that is actually been held here, where people are actually investing in all these different vaults. You can see there's also DEX, there's also Launchpad, there's DAO. Dashboard is coming soon as well. Don't forget, guys, my name is Mr. Shah. I'll see you guys on the next one, as we'll be talking about more artificial intelligence or AI powered crypto tokens. See you in the next one. I'm out for now.